Sequence Promotion, Baron Luddy and Million present the birthday celebration.
That goes on.
Friday, December 8th at the Sports Club, 6531 Sunset Strip. Music by the award-winning Sequence Sound, Enforcer World Sound, DeMarco X Squad, Desmond Rainbow, and Hot Stepper, with live performances by Sean Sequence, Catty Boy, Million, Empress Unique, Samaritan, special guest Earl Cunningham.
I don't want to go in a jailhouse.
Admission only $20, hosted by Mr. Lexus. This is a Sequence promotion.
That goes on, cause every day another baby's born.
Broken-hearted sound boy, toiling in the day and soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
Superstar sound touching down. I think the sound said, help one of them disperse. Let's be great on the ground, man. Bunch of bands and silent sound. You like oh, Black, Sharp and Chico. All shadows and ricochet of a wall.
When you come to Orlando,
Superstar
put respect on with blood clotting.
Sound fit then. Superstar, you're not safe to learn. Can't shout about something that sound boy. It's sound fit then. Superstar, you're not safe to learn. Can't shout. They never hear them, never hear what superstar sound said. Anything past the other man, you have to get to the
Let me show you said a boy there. Baby to blood clot. Me I go deep in the box. And this boy now no man from Evelyn. You see me I chill and me a easy. I stir up so little thing and nobody know you. We only know Diamond Sunshine, motherfucker. Refrigerator. Superstar. Who the fuck are you? Superstar. Yeah. Superstar. Hear me. Fuck your love. Oh, it's only two? Jesus, come on, man. You know, everything does get nice, man. Alright, come on, sir. Good, good.
Yeah. Tarantula. Coming on Tarantula. What I make him answer. But, hear me I say, we have to get creative with lyrics.
We have it, man.
We have to get creative, Tarantula.
Yeah.
We can't just use the word boom, 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 boom. We can't find other lyrics.
Why not?
Yes. Let me see who verse now.
Alright. Okay. Alright with that.
Okay, play vagina.
Y'all heard him, right?
Play vagina.
Yeah, man. Answer back now. Answer back. Creatively.
The man father playing one. In Boja man time and you're looking for Boja big artist on that time. But pussy, you know what? Let me tell you something. See when you see that song, yeah? No, some of the same goes article sound with each and every day. You come the big bad song called Sunshine Movement saying you know one called Shines, one called Rap. I'm going to killer. From when you hear that little sound up here, love me. Tired of taking the blame. Sunshine Movements are doing that way. It's when I see that song up here, my young friend. Right now we have the murder someone. I know what you be playing over the dance song. When you see my song up here, my young, listen here. I'm not sure. What the fuck is wrong? What the check it out? Watching the woman and try.
Listen, we got no time, church, disrespect. Pussy like the number, give me a talk.
Let me tell you this. I'm from the Bronx, my nigga. When you live down here, we don't tell me what you right now, man.
They said do something, nigga.
Hold
Alright, I'm gonna play my tune song. I see that, right?
Yo!
Alright.
Hold on, people. If you drive Champion Color Infinity G35 license plate 66A, right, it was RE1, RER. License plate 66A, RER, Champion Color Infinity G35. You're blocking right now. Move your car. You overs. So here we go on now. I feel like me to put in them ramp to come away. Come here, senior for them, you know, so I can't call them out. I can make them ramp like a bit more. So, yeah. Oh, and that's what? That's what you want? Okay. So this is what we're gonna do. Three's too little. We're gonna do best of 5. Best of 5, 1 for 1, and then we're moving on. Okay? Yeah. Cause we ain't got all night for this. You see me? Eh? You don't show off, Jugger. You. Alright. Relax, bro. Eh? You see, you already started with this. I just said I ain't got all night. Best of 5. We'll make them settle this little score, yeah? And then we're gonna move on. We're gonna move on. Best of 5. You play one song right now.
Well, what me done with that boy there, you need to change the name. Because no man is supposed to name Sunshine. There's one Sunshine there, all I know is Diamond Sunshine. We don't know you, nigga. So I'm gonna teach you a fucking lesson tonight. Yeah.
Talk cheap, anyone can say anything. But member say, at the sound call, superstar sound run things in the dance tonight. Sound boy a murder, you get murder. Because you know, sir,
you will never forget this. Remember me tell you.
Professor in the place to be. And also the one called Nova. And also DJ there. One in the place to be. And Sham also there to represent on the fence. John was there. Sound it dead. Yeah. On the silent steps we gonna murder you. In the mystic form we come to kill you too.
Hey boy, who you? Who you?
You're gonna run away and hide, be careful.
Hey
Be
boy.
careful. I will have a killer sound. I'll murder your sound. Kill them,
You're listening.
Answer back.
Other boy, I can name up John Olson, brother. And John Olson name up, so brother. Yo, man, yo, you see people, when you see that you get play, just tell him, say.
Sunshine movements. The big up to Rango. Father Shine. Jackie.
Ayo, the lame brother, don't tell my yo.
Ruthless. Pepper. Killer.
You see when me play, brother, don't try and follow me. Yeah? I'm righteous, so don't want to follow me.
Sunshine movements rolling down. I said rolling on.
Yeah!
Sunshine movements rolling down. If you run down the sunshine movements
Pull up! Now, people, did Superstar take that one? Did Sunshine take that one? This is the worst vote ever. We're gonna try this again. If Superstar take that one, they put one under the ear. Please, hand thanks. Take them down. If Sunshine take that one, they put one hand in the ear. Please, hand thanks. Sunshine 1-0. Superstar. Ready again.
Bigger thing. I'm gonna drink some rum now, man. Yeah, go on some bigger thing. You go on, brother. You see the song the way you play? You want me to tell you say about the song right now. Yeah.
Hey, something all over this song. What do you think you say I'm trying to tell Superstar song? You just dive in your head. Now hear this. No, no, no.
Yo, people, the next song you don't need no intro. Listen.
Sunshine Movements, big up J Killer, Rango, Jamak, Lady Kerry.
No intro, brother. I'm not even talk to him, okay? I leave.
Respect to Father Shines. Pluto this every time.
What up? What up? Big superstar take that one, put one on in the air. Big superstar take that one on in the air. Take them down. Big sunshine take that one on in the air. 2-0 sunshine. Superstar, your time.
All of the people, fear is fear, you know. Fear is fear. Come on, man, been in the music a long time. Sunshine, a big song that. Me not take that from you. You have to know the art. Me listen to Lion Face. Me listen to Chupa. And when a man do good, you have to give him credit. But you know, me a player where we blood clot have. Me a player where me have. This son, superstar son, is my brethren son. But I'm me defend this blood clot. See? Hold on, man. Alright, the boom, me wait. Blood clot. We not afraid of that. Me no frightened of that. We not have to come better on that. Sunshine play a good strong. I give it to him. What is the fucking problem?
No. What you talking?
Sunshine, it's not your time to play. It's not your time to play. If you talk one more time, they're going to send you somewhere. It's not your time to play. See? Regardless of what happened today, I still go by the name of DJ Stammer. This is still superstar sound. I respect you. But here I go.
DJ, stay strong. Meaningful sir. Wait.
Sunshine!
Bound to run the contest, the superstar.
Pussy, you see how easy it is? You see how me deal the government and then fuck you up? Because we are bad selector. Suck your mother.
Sunshine, before you play a song. Cripples, I'm not going on this, you know. I'm not going on this. I'm not cool on yourself, man. Yo, you see how that like a fuck my argument, my lad? I'm not allowed that, though. No, and this is something that is more like a friendly thing. So on the fire, I like a friendly shot, them and boom, bang. Something that thing don't make it, man. Look how much man there, man. Pick me there and all them something. I eat that, man. No love that, man. Cool on the emotions, bro. Alright? Sunshine, play a song now. Yeah, man.
You know what we're taking for international, you're in a champion song called Sunshine Movement song. Nazi. Sleep in peace, Father Shine. Respect to.
But I begin to that song, listen.
Oggy Black, Jamak, Lady Kerry. When I say respect to Lady Naya, Abby Smoke, all Antigua, Jamaica, and New York for this review. I'm a dancer. Now select, take it away. My project is my name, and music is my name.
Everybody don't know music, listen.
Show this one to
you. See when Sunshine Movement's up here.
Oh Lord, Sunshine killing and murder.
Hands up! If Superstar took that one, put one hand in the air, let me see. Take them down. If Sunshine take that one, put one hand in the air, let me see. Here. That is 3-0 out of best of 5. He done. We have Superstar. Everything is all good. I'm not moving. Where else I see? Hear me now, seriously. Stammer. It's something other bad. We don't want that because, let me tell you why, Stammer. Because you're a bad selector, I like when you defend yourself. You can tell you that. But, a whole heap of people there, and you see when they leave, they're going to talk all type of things. So we want to keep it clean and friendly. Yeah, man, so
Say what you said, people.
Man. People, as a man in the street, and as a man, brother, I'm sorry. People, it's a Jamaican thing, but me take it back. You understand me, sir? You understand? No hard feelings to the brother because it's a niceness. See? And me is a man where, you know me I say, but brother, I'm not disrespect people, I'm sorry. Everything good. See?
Sunshine, where's Sunshine there? Sunshine, let me say him apologize. As a man, I have to respect him for that. Respect him for that. Tarantula, you're sure.
Alright, you up now. I like how that thing they end up like a class, you know. Yeah, man, decent. That's how the things. So, yo!
Broken-hearted sound boy, toiling in the day and soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.